You don't even mix the cake mix. You do nothing to it but dump it on. You'll be amazed. You don't even need the entire box of cake mix, I don't think. A little bit more. I try to use my hand just to kind of so I can gauge a little bit more. But you just sprinkle this on top, cover it completely. And depending on how much you put on, or depending on how thick your little crust is on top. I like it a little thick just because when we put the butter on it, just gets nice and rich. Oh, it's so good. Again, this, cake mix is a beautiful thing. It already has, a lot of basic ingredients you need for baking anything, and it's already sweetened a little bit for you, so it's just a perfect topping to put on something. I think that's enough. I'm just going to smooth this out a little bit. You don't want to, don't manhandle it too much because you don't want it mixing in with the cherries. It needs to stay on top. Just make sure it's covering everything out to the edges. Perfect. A little bit more over here. Okay, I cannot see any cherries on top, which is perfect. So, yeah, that was roughly half the box. Not much at all, just kind of. Now, we're going to just put some butter on top. This is going to make it nice and golden brown. I talked about that earlier. I'm not going to cover this in the oven. But this butter is just going to add a little bit more richness and flavor to it. And it's going to make this dry topping into a nice, it's going to get some moisture into it. So it's a great crumbly topping and not so dry. This butter is cold just because it makes it a little bit easier for me to slice off thin pieces of it. It doesn't have to be cold necessarily. I just find it easier to handle. But you're going to cover just about this entire dish with this thinly sliced butter. Just put it all over. It'll melt and spread out a little bit, but I'm not scared of butter. Also, if I've used this on this dish before, is spray butter. That is a really easy thing. It takes a lot less time. You just, spray it to death. Make sure it's nice and wet. You have enough of the spray butter. You don't want to do too light of a coating, but just spray the heck out of it and pop in the oven. It's really easy. I just didn't have any spray butter in my pantry. And again, we're all about what we have on hand today. So, if you have spray butter, use that. It's so easy, so fast. So I'm going to finish covering this with my little thin slices of butter, and then we'll stick in the oven for a little bit.